How to turn on or off pages you follow notifications on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on pages you follow notifications on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app and then click on those three lines up there. And now click on the setting icon beside the search icon and click on notifications. And now scroll down and click on pages you followed. And here you can turn off notifications about activity in pages that you followed on Facebook. Click on allow notifications on Facebook and you can turn on all the notifications on Facebook, or just you can turn on where you receive your pages you follow notifications, for example on emails, SMS, or push. Just click on one of them. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.